Hey everyone, I'm Scott from Diono, and today I'm going to show you how to put together the new Monterey 2XT. Comes out of the box in 3 pieces. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and attach the back to the base, because there are 2 bars right here, and these 2 hooks go on those 2 bars. Just set it down like that, put it down on the hooks and lift it up till it locks in place. And on the top here there's a big slot, and that's where the head support goes. So the easiest thing to do is grab that head support, and while you're putting it in you want to squeeze this handle so that this mechanism slides up. So squeeze that handle and it just drops right into the back. And then while you're doing that, you can go ahead and move this cover out of the way so this part slides down behind it. And it drops down just like that. Super easy.